In a small village nestled in the heart of rural India, lived a young boy named Arjun. He belonged to a modest family, where every day was a struggle for survival. Arjun's father worked tirelessly in the fields, toiling under the scorching sun to provide for his family. Arjun grew up witnessing his father's relentless hard work and developed a deep respect for the value of diligence. From an early age, Arjun had dreams that extended beyond the boundaries of the village. He aspired to break free from the cycle of poverty that gripped his family and to make a mark in the world. The only path he saw to achieve his dreams was through hard work. Arjun's dedication to his studies was unmatched. After long days in the fields, he would sit under the dim light of a kerosene lamp, poring over his textbooks. His father, despite his exhaustion, would sit beside him, offering support and encouragement. Arjun's mother, a woman of quiet strength, would often remind him, "Hard work is the key to success, my son. Never forget that." As the years went by, Arjun's relentless pursuit of knowledge paid off. He secured a scholarship to a prestigious university in the city. Leaving behind the familiar sights and sounds of the village, he embarked on a journey that would change the course of his life. The city was a bustling metropolis, and Arjun felt like a small fish in a vast ocean. However, he clung to the values instilled in him by his parents, the essence of hard work. Days turned into nights as he immersed himself in his studies. His roommates, children of privilege, were puzzled by his unwavering determination. Despite facing numerous challenges, Arjun excelled in his academics. His hard work did not go unnoticed, and soon he caught the attention of his professors. They offered him opportunities for internships and research projects, opening doors that he had only dreamed of. One day, as Arjun stood on the stage to receive an award for his outstanding academic achievements, he couldn't help but think of his humble beginnings in the village. His parents, who had sacrificed so much, beamed with pride. The audience applauded, not just for his accomplishments, but for the embodiment of a truth they all knew, that hard work truly is the key to success. Arjun's journey didn't end there. Armed with knowledge, he returned to his village, determined to uplift the lives of those who shared his past struggles. He initiated community projects, provided scholarships to deserving students, and inspired a new generation to believe in the power of hard work. In the quiet corners of the village, the phrase echoed, "Hard work is the key to success." Arjun had not only proven it but had also become a living testament to the transformative power of dedication and resilience. Always remember, hard work is the key to success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.